Aloha, my name is James Akau. The work we do at Kāwā is to facilitate community stewardship. And so we partner with the Volcano School of Arts and Science. Some of the stuff that we've worked with, we've cleared around the a'ali'i plant, or Latin name Dorononea viscosa. And the students from the school actually helped to clear around a remnant patch of a'ali'i. Making sure the springs are flowing, the springs that people use to bathe after they swim in the ocean or to cool off when it's hot down there. To sum it up in one sentence, we help to caretake and steward the lands that the county purchased at Kāwā. We don't want to just grow a forest as a museum. We want to grow a forest and have plants available for the community to use. My official title at the school is an educational assistant. I help Tamara Morrison. A lot of the stuff that I do outside of the school is planning and coordination and logistics, and just making sure that when the students come down, everything flows smoothly.